Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have the latest Papercraft Society box, and this one is by Sam. And I'm going to go ahead and open it. I'm a bit behind on making projects from my boxes, just different things have come up. Two boxes, the Snowflake one that we just got and the John Next Door one that I need to make some projects for, so that will be coming. And this one is kind of a cutesy one. So we're going to go through that. This is from Sam here, and just flipping through there. So more of a fun vibe with her stuff, as you can see from the box, Christmas lights and penguins and fun things to color. And so let's take a look. So you can see from the envelope here, lots of Christmas lights. And then we have the extra things. Got her stripes that you see a lot there. A couple little envelopes here. Like lots of colorful ones. I don't know if you can see that in there. I don't want to spill them all here. Lots of different colors, pastels and other colors, pinks, teals, purples. That will go with all the other things. And then, what is that? Oh, it's like, is that fishing line? It's just clear thread. I don't know why I was thinking fishing line, but overthinking that. Alright, and then some little pegs, so some mini pegs. So great for the holidays coming up. We have some glitter paper here, a couple sheets of that. Black, pinks, reds, oranges, green, blue, typical Sam colors here. Yellow, very bright and cheery. Alright, so in the wallet, where all the super fun stuff comes in here. So we've got some stencils, some papers, a die set, and a stamp set. So I'm going to use the back of that, show you the stamp set. So lots of things if you like coloring with any of your mediums. We have, you could do color pencils, Inktense pencils, watercolor, color pencils, just regular color pencils, alcohol markers, the whole shebang there. So it looks like Santa's taking the plane this year. We have a deer. Oh, he's cute. An angel, maybe an elf with a tree dress on, tree jumper. The little snowman here with a parachute, that's cute, and the penguin. Those are probably my two favorite are right here. And then some sprinkling a little magic. I'm back. Hey, it's Christmas time. There's snowing like you. It's cute. It's that crazy time of the year again. So lots of things you can use, little sparkles, snow, some corners here. Lots of things there. And then we have some coordinating dies, it looks like. So it looks like the airplane, the deer, or reindeer, and the penguin all can be cut out using these dies. And then we have some lights, stars, bulbs, like a topper to make maybe a bauble, a snowflake, Merry Christmas, and some stars. So lots of things there that are usable. And it looks like that die, like there's this sort of twiny look here, and then there's an inner circle. So you can do some layering with that, maybe make some shakers, that sort of thing. Okay, and then it looks like we've got some stencils, which is always nice. So you can make your baubles there. Let me put that behind that red there. And different things you can fill in background with. And then it looks like she's done that so that you can make snow. So you can make the hill there, and then you can do it that way. That makes sense. And then a nice little background stencil there. Of course, you can put your texture paste through there. That would be nice. Like the Nouveau texture paste with the sparkles and things, and then make those pretty lights. So a fun little background piece there. And we got like a bunch of different greetings and little trees and things. We have that stripe that was in the inside of the box. We have the parachuting snowman, penguin, and Santa. There's a bunch of snowflakes. We have some little light bulbs in round shapes, which is fun. And it looks like we've got some toppers already made for you. So you can just pop those out. Easy peasy. And maybe layer them on some you know, cut out with some circle dies or something and layer those up. Some scallops would be cute. We have that stamp that's mimicked here. I believe that's, yeah. So that's the stamp, just already die cut for you. And then some of the sentiments there for you. So it's got some things to do here. I've got to go through some boxes and make some things. It's Michigan here. The fall weather is absolutely beautiful. I hope you are doing well, and if you wouldn't mind, if you could give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, that would really, really help. And please go check the links down in the description below, as well as visiting my blog and subscribing to that. That would be great. And then you can get new posts all the time, whether it's painting or the books I'm writing or cards I'm making or journals, whatever the case may be. And I do put free papers on there that I design occasionally, maybe a couple times, 2-3 times a month. So you can go on there and type in the search bar up at the, I think it's at the top right hand corner. You can type in free paper, and then hopefully those posts will pop up for you. And then you can just click on the picture and download that JPEG file and use that. And if you make something, that would be fun for me to see. If you could use hashtag Cynthia Maynard, and then I'd be able to see that. So that would be great. Just wanted to make you apprised of that knowledge. And thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day.